Hello everyone! Welcome back to Analytics with Aisha. In today's topic, we are going to learn on how to create a new data source in lookerstudio in comparison to Power BI. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe as there will be more interesting videos from us. Now, let us start with lookerstudio. There are a few methods to upload a new data source in lookerstudio. We can learn them in 3 simple methods. The first method is when you are creating a new blank report. After you click on the blank report tile, you should navigate to this window. This part is straightforward. You can just select Connect to Data and select any Google connectors or partner connectors that you want to connect to. Let's go to the second method. The second method is when you already created a new report, but maybe you exited the report or accidentally closed the report page before adding a new data source. This part is also straightforward. You can click on the Add Data button at the top of the page and Add Data to Report window will show. Again, you can just select Connect to Data and select any Google connectors or partner connectors that you want to connect to. The third and last method is when you are already working on a working report. Let's say you have created a new data source before you work on the report. Now you wanted to bring another data source into your report. You can do this by clicking on either Add Data button at the top or by clicking on Resource and select Manage Added Data Sources. Once you do this, a new window will appear. On this window, select Add a Data Source and you will see Add Data to Report window like what you saw in previous methods. There you go, 3 simple methods on how to create a new data source in lookerstudio. Let's now move to Power BI. In Power BI, there are also 3 methods to upload a new data source. Let's learn them. The first method is by clicking on Get Data on the page header. Once you click that, you will see a list of common data sources drop down. If you cannot find any data sources that you want to connect to, you can click on More and a Get Data window will appear. Power BI has hundreds of supporter connectors that you can choose from. Once you have selected a data source, click Connect. The second method is by clicking on the Transform Data button on the page header. A new window will be shown. Now, if you haven't created any data source before, you will see an empty queries. You can create a new source by clicking on New Source button at the top. Similar to the first method, you will see a list of common data sources. You can click More to see more supported connectors. Now, the last method is straightforward. Let's go back to your empty canvas. On the page header, there is a data listing. If the data source you wanted to connect is already listed there, you can easily click on it. And there you have it. 3 simple methods to connect to a new data source in both lookerstudio and Power BI. Let's recap. In lookerstudio, you can add a new data source on a new blank report, an existing blank report, and a working report. In Power BI, you can add a new data source by selecting Get Data, Transform Data, or selecting any of the data sources on the data listing. And that's all from me for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.